Hey foodies, welcome back to another food vlog. This is your girl Netty and I'm cooking Sunday dinner for me and my daughter. Stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. How are you today? Happy Sunday. Today I just got home from work and I have some peas. I'm gonna make some gungo rice and peas with this amount. This is from Jamaica. That's all I have left. So I'm going to use it up and make some rice and gungo rice and peas. So I'm going to pour out this. Guys, from where I work to where I live, it's Sunday, so the stores are closed, and I didn't get to get any fresh coconuts, so the best thing I can get is my coconut milk. Sorry. That's the best I can get. And I know my uncle watched this video and he's gonna say to me, Netty, what did I tell you about tin coconut milk? Get the fresh ones. I know, uncle, I know. Don't tell my mother. So I'm not going to use all of it, I'm just going to use some. Okay. Just some of it, not all of it. So I'm making gungo rice and peas. But you probably think, oh, it's too white in it. Listen, I learned a trick in Jamaica, yeah? But I'm not going to tell you, but if you know, you know. Okay? So because I'm not going to use all of it, I'm forcing the rest of it out. I'm going to put it in the freezer. I'm going to rinse this out and keep with the water. Just in case the rice needs some water, I can have it to pour over the rice. But this is going into the freezer, so let's put that over there. Whoa! Guys, I caught it in time. Clean as we go when I'm cooking. I clean as I go. So I've got my scotchy that I brought from Jamaica, some spring onions. I didn't buy my thyme today, you know. So I didn't buy my thyme today. Anyway, guys. Stop being funny. So I didn't buy fresh thyme today, so I got thyme from them. Sorry. I'm not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Alright. I think this can. Ah! I'm gonna put a tablespoon of thyme in there. And I'm gonna put my stuff in there. I'm gonna leave the scotchy for last. Actually, sorry, I'm gonna put it in there. Guys, I'm gonna put some everyday seasoning in my I'll just put a tablespoon in there. I don't use salt in my food. I don't eat with salt. I make my seasoning be my salt. So I don't use salt. Never. Okay. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah, that's it. Let the milk cook. So now I let the milk cook. I'm making some curry chicken with it. So nice. That would be great. Never leave your jar empty. Remember the olden days when you wash rice like this? People still do. Okay. Alright, I've got the pan for my chicken. This is my curry powder. So let's put some turmeric and curry powder to burn a little bit. So my chicken, I'm going to turn them over now because I let them cook on the other side, then I put my water and whatnot inside of it. Okay, my rice. How does it look? All right, baby. Look. There you go. Nice and shelly. Ooh. My gungo rice and peas looks really good. Does look good. So I'll just put some seasoning in there. Guys, this is my dinner. I'm making dinner, so this is not for like, this is not a tutorial or anything like that, okay? Just be vlogging, okay? This is not a step-by-step guide. It's not a step-by-step guide. It's just me making my Sunday dinner the way I want to make it. So it's not a tutorial. I'm making some curry chicken with some gungo rice and peas and some other bits. Okay? But this is not a tutorial today. Alright. I don't use butter. That's the one. So I don't use salt and I don't use garlic and I don't use butter anymore. This is my scotch on the top. Begging me, don't burst me please. Don't burst me please. So my curry chicken is cooking down right now. So soon we can take him off. So we don't do shear on here. We can take him off. I'm almost finished cooking. Almost finished my dinner and I'm gonna dish up now and I'm gonna sit down with my daughter and have dinner. Today is Sunday and today is the 9th of August. Okay. I'm not gonna do no fancy cup up and cup plate, okay? or not. This is rice. So that's dinner done. We are very hungry people in this house. Alright, let's get some, taking up some chicken in this one. Out. This is Nicole's dinner. So it's curry chicken with vegetables. Here you go, Nicole.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. We're gonna have dinner now, so guess what? I'll catch you later, okay? Guys, it's so good. It's so good. Very good. I've got some potato salad here as well, which I'm gonna help myself to. And this is the green salad that I made. So listen, Sunday dinner is ready, and I hope you're having yours. I hope you had yours as well.